Hello Coffeeholics, welcome back to our instant coffee series. Today I am going to share with you a requested video tutorial. I have been asked why is it that I use plain water to make my instant coffee cappuccino instead of using milk, just like cappuccinos made using espresso. Today we are going to make two different versions of hot cappuccino using instant coffee. One is water-based and the other is milk-based. How do they differ in taste? In terms of price, of course, the one with milk is more expensive, more premium, but possibly for some of you it might be too rich. We're going to compare the taste of these two. At the end of this video clip, we are going to establish which one tastes better. For the recipes, I'm going to use the ones in my book, The Basic Barista. Let's start with the first one, which is water-based. 8 ounces cappuccino using water as base. My recipe is 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. I'm using Nescafe Gold here. 1, 2 teaspoons of creamer. 1, 2, half an ounce of my milk syrup, and that really is all there is to it. For my second drink, what I'm going to do is to use only 2 ounces of hot water, and then I'm going to add the same amount of coffee, 2 teaspoons of coffee, same amount of creamer, 2 teaspoons of creamer. Your water should be very hot, and this process should not take too long because you are serving hot coffee. You would want to serve hot, not cold. So now this is my warm milk. I'm just going to fill this to about the same level as this one. So this is the one using water base. I'm going to fill this to the same level with milk. Half an ounce of my milk syrup. And that really is all there is to it. Well, there you go, very simple to make hot cappuccino using instant coffee. One is water-based and the other is milk-based. The color, very similar. The one with the water-based is darker naturally than the one with milk. It's now down to taste. Let's find out. Hello, welcome back.
Thank you.
Okay, so today, very simple. It's an easy job for you this time. These are instant coffee cappuccino. So one, I use more milk and less water, and the other is using more water and less milk.
Okay.
Please do tell us the difference. Is it worth spending more to get more milk or not?
Okay. Okay.
Well, she doesn't know which one is which at the moment, so that will be the big reveal.
Okay. This one's a little bit sweeter, and it's the one that I prefer actually. This one tastes a little bit bitter. Let me try it again. It's a little creamier. Is that right?
Yeah.
This is the one with milk?
Yes.
Oh, I actually thought that I would prefer the one with milk because I like creamy textures. I prefer this one though. Like, I think this one is more of the standard, typical, what you would expect with instant coffee. I think this is how most people make it, right?
Right.
This one tastes off, like you don't really know why it tastes off. So I would go for that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let me just give it a try.
Yeah, that's really odd because I really thought I would prefer this one.
Now we have
a milk mustache.
Ooh, it is strong. Quite strong, the taste.
Yes, it's nice.
I agree with her completely.
You know what I mean? It's off.
It
tastes not like it's meant to be that way.
Yeah, it's almost. So what we're saying here is that it is not really worth the extra mile by using more milk into your cappuccino using instant coffee. So I would say I would also go for this.
Nice.
Well then, we have the same opinion again. Sometimes we do have the same opinion. And so, stick with the recipe that are in my book, The Basic Barista.
Oh,
But-
that's in your book.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah, this is exactly what's in the book. But then some have asked me, what about if they put more milk? Is it any better? Well, the answer to that is
No, according to us, it's no.
yes, not. So there's no need to experiment. We are doing it so you don't have to do it. Well, I hope this video tutorial is useful for those that are wondering about instant coffee and the recipes that are on my book, The Basic Barista. And we'll see you again next time. Stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.
Ciao for now.